Hi Melton drivers, Jeff Robinson from Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm the Vice President of Maintenance. Today I want to talk to you about trailers, and while you're doing your pre-trip inspection, one thing you really need to watch close is the yearly federal inspection sticker that's on all of our equipment, whether it's trucks or whether it's trailers. Please look at those close and make sure that they're current and not out of date. We've run into a few instances where some of the trailers especially, some of them get parked at trailer pools for too long and the inspection sticker actually is expired. So please look that over. If you have any problems with it, or if it looks like it's expired or getting close, send it to MAC 18 to Outside Repair, or give them a call, tell them what trailer number you have. And they can look up the last time it was inspected and let you know whether it's current or whether it needs to be done. So it's really important when you get that. And also, let me talk to you about when you drop trailers at trailer pools, please let us know if there's an issue with that trailer, whether it's some tires that might be bad, or they might have a winch problem, or holes in the floor, something from normal wear and tear, because you're going to drop that trailer, picked up a loaded trailer, and then take off. Well, the one you drop off, we need to get fixed for the next person that goes and picks it up. So just quickly send in a MAC 18 with the trailer number, a brief description of what's going on with it, and we'll send somebody out there to get that taken care of. Because the next person to pick that up could very well be you, and then you're going to get aggravated when that happens. I get phone calls about that all the time. So please, it's very important to let us know. We've got 2,500 trailers out there. Sometimes it's a little hard to manage them all, but with your help, we can stop and prevent a lot of problems, and a lot of problems for you guys especially. That's really it on the trailers. Now if we can go over here to the trucks, I've seen some postings on Facebook about some APUs that we're going to be trying. This is one of them here. We're going to try some battery-based versions or battery-powered. This happens to be a Thermo King. Now we're only going to try 3 of the Thermo King model, 3 of the Kenworth model, and then there's another vendor out there called D-Climate. We're going to try 3 of those. So there'll be 9 total APUs out there. What we hope, these are all battery based. There's special batteries in here. We put special batteries on the trucks, and there's a big cooling system that goes inside under the bunk, similar to what our old APUs used to do, but it's all battery based. So I don't want everybody to get too excited and think that we're going to go to 100% APUs. We want to try these and see if they actually work, because when you're in South Texas and it's 100 degrees and it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we need to know how long these things will actually cool the truck before the truck starts and recharges the system. And all that's going to be done automatically. We've got the truck programmed with an auto start stop system, so it'll monitor battery voltage. When it gets down to a certain point, it'll automatically start and run and keep the batteries fully charged. So the drivers that we give these to will give thorough instructions and training on those as well. So that's about that. So, and on these particular ones with the APUs, we're going to go back to single tires to help offset the weight of these APUs, because this is going to add about another 400 pounds. And I can save that much weight by just taking the dual tires off and putting these single tires back on. So one other thing I want to talk to you about real quick. We talked about the federal inspection sticker on the trailers. This is what it looks like on the tractors. This is one version. Melton's got our own. The date that's written on here, this is the date when the inspection was done. So it's actually due a year after that particular inspection. So I know there's some confusion out there. People think that that's the due date, but that's actually the month and the year that the inspection was actually performed. We keep all that paperwork on hand, so if you need anything from Outside Repair, they can easily scan it and send it to you. So really that's about all I have today. And if you have any questions, give me a call in the office or call somebody in Outside Repair. Thanks for watching, and drive safe. Thank you.